Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with Tuesday morning haul. Actually, I think it's like, no, not Tuesday morning, Lord have mercy, Dollar Tree haul, and it's actually like probably 4 different times. This stuff been sitting here for weeks that I have not shown. I'm just gonna show it all at one time. And these are repeat buy, the butterflies. I know you guys have seen these, and so they're repeat buy. I haven't bought them over a year or so. Saw these fun stickers, dimensional metallic like stickers with the houses. I love houses. And then this one, another succulent one, but I love the little frames right here, and it says today in good times and smile. Oh gosh, I forgot who said this. I think it was a Glamour Parent. Maybe somebody said this. You know, you can use this to put your glue gun in, which I already had the square one, silicone mat, but that is a nice one just to have on hand. This is your glue gun in. I bought 6 of these trays just to put different stuff, and then I'm gonna E6000 them together, have them stacked up, just to have quick drawers right here that I can access things. I just saw this elf brush, which I didn't need, but I picked it up anyway to use in, you know, my art room, my craft room, work room, everything room. And then these are repeat butterflies. Another repeat buy. Here's another butterfly. And then I had to get some large rubber bands because I was organizing my ribbons, and I needed that to put over top of that. I did get these on coffee, whatever, don't let me know how to pronounce it because I didn't take French. But anyway, some coffee napkins, and these ones I got from my sister. I already sent her half of them, and the other half is me. And this ribbon, you've seen this before. The burlap, different types of ribbon. And then this was more like a deep plum, like a darker than a Merlot. It's darker than a creme raisin because it's more plum. But anyway, it's a nice, pretty purpley color, wine color. I don't know. And I got this. This was from Michael's, the little diamonds. And then these two blingy ones, I thought they were nice. If you can see, this is pink and red, and this is orange and green. This lighting, you won't be able to see it. There you go. Got this T-square, this metal T-square, just to line things up. You can use it while you're making projects if you just want to have something round. Not round, 90 degree. Get some more nails. And then I was shocked to see this. They have a rotary cutter. I wonder if it's any good. The blade is extremely sharp. Handle with care. Use safety goggles when using the cutter. Retract the blade after use. Keep away from the reach of children. Okay. So I was really surprised to see that there at the Dollar Tree. And I thought I would get it, and you know, any time the packaging just fall apart. Today, I'm opening on this. So how do you retract it? Oh, okay. Let's see. I did cut through this, so, and then retract it. Okay. It's in there, but you know, it's good. They might come off, but it says patent pending. Okay. And then I was also shocked to see some Crafted Square oil pastels. So, yeah, I thought I would try these out. So it comes in 12 colors and is white, yellow, orange, red, pink, burnt sienna, blue, light gray, dark green, light green, brown, and black. So these are oil-based, pigmented like crayons, kind of like gelatos, except they're not translucent, they're opaque, and they have their oil base. So, but you can still like do some of the effects with them. Well, they're not water soluble, so I guess I can do some effects. But I mean, they adhere onto the surface kind of like a crayon would. But yeah, I don't know. I have to really try it out to see. And I have some But for $1, I mean, I thought that was pretty cool. You could get you some Gamsol or something to smear it out. But anyway, I ain't worked with them in so long, I can't even remember how to use them. I don't think I used Gamsol with them. I'll take that back. I didn't use them with my pastels, did I? No, I don't know. I gotta go back and ask my sister. I forgot. I have not used some of these in a long time. But anyway, for $1, I thought I would try them out. So I'll try them in the project and see how they turn out. Anyway, so that was just 2 interesting finds. Was the roller cutter and the oil pastels. And so anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. And so, hello, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I'm adding this part onto the end of that, well, the beginning of this video, I think, whatever, the end of the beginning. But I forgot to show this was part of the haul I had from the Dollar Tree. And that is just one of those little flip bins, which I know you all have seen. A pack of some pins, some removable glue dots, some popsicle sticks that I was putting some ribbon on, and then these last ribbons. And one of those is because the string ribbon ended, which I think I have these 2 already. And then these. So anyway, that is that. So stay tuned for the rest of this haul, or if this is the end of it. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.